tribal markets. So did we see this tribal markets, a study of N.P and Vijetha? No, we did not see. Please write. Tribal markets. See these tribal markets in Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Chota Nagpur Plateau were studied by L.P Vidyarthi and Sachidananda. Please listen. L.P Vidyarthi. They found that these tribal markets have a core area and a peripheral area. This core area is a zone of non-exploitation or a zone of symmetrical trade or a zone of free trade where tribal goods are traded with another tribal goods by means of barter system and special purpose money or anything. So it is a zone of reciprocity, we can say. This peripheral markets or periphery of this tribal market, you can find that a non-tribe is trading with a non-tribal person, which is a zone of exploitation or a zone of negative reciprocity or a zone of asymmetrical trade. See, these tribal markets are arranged fortnightly or monthly and they are known as shandis, haats or bazaars. They are known as shandis or haats or bazaars. So this is a common place from where from a nearby place like maybe 5 to 10 kilometers radius, people from different habitations go to this particular place in order to trade their goods around 5 to 10 kilometers radius. Not only tribal people are going here, non-tribal people are also going. And that is why when non-tribal person trades with a tribal person, definitely tribal people are on receiving it. And these tribal markets are important places for social, economic and political activities because these are happening places for them. The tribal people go there to participate not only for exchanging of goods, they are strengthening their social solidarity and thickening their bonds. They are also settling the disputes among them in this particular place, and this is a place where music, dance, drama and several other social activities also take place. In these places, they are also getting into marital alliances and other things. So marriages are fixed here, so the disputes are settled here. Even other government organizations, banks and other things, even politicians go there to create awareness on whatever they are doing. At the same time, some drama will be there, music will be there, and that is why it is a happening place for tribal people. So they make sure that they attend these places.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology optional foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by N.P KISHORE sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.